Imagine shrinking down, smaller and smaller, until the world around you morphs into something out of a cartoon, the microscopic world. This journey, beyond the reach of the naked eye, is where we find an animated city of life and structures. Our ticket to this world? The humble microscope, a device that has allowed us to delve into the mysteries of the minuscule with a sense of humor. Here, amidst this unseen world, we find an entity of rib-tickling importance, a structure that holds the blueprint of life, the command center of the cell. This is the nucleus, an invention not of human hands, but of nature's grand design. Its discovery revolutionized our understanding of life, propelling us into a new era of scientific discovery, with a good dose of laughter. So, buckle up for this journey with us, as we delve deeper into the world of the microscopic with a twist of humor. At the heart of this world lies a structure of immense importance, the nucleus, a discovery that has revolutionized our understanding of life and given us a few good laughs along the way. The nucleus didn't just pop up one day, it was a discovery, a revelation in the world of science. Picture a world before 1831, where the intricate workings of cells were still a mystery, and folks thought cells were just tiny blobs of jelly. Enter Robert Brown, a man with a keen eye, a microscope, and a sense of humor. As he peered into the microscopic world, Brown noticed something remarkable: tiny particles bustling inside the cells. He named these particles nucleus, deriving from the Latin word for kernel or core. This discovery was groundbreaking. The nucleus, as we now know, is more than just a particle. It's the command center of the cell, holding the genetic blueprint that guides the cell's functions. Brown's observation transformed the way we understand cells, shedding light on the complex microcosm that exists within each one of us, and making us laugh along the way. So from a simple observation under a microscope, the nucleus was unveiled, opening doors to new scientific frontiers and a whole lot of funny bone tickling. The nucleus is not just a simple dot inside the cell, it's a complex structure with various parts, each with its own role. Let's dive in and explore these components in a fun, animated way. First up is the nuclear envelope, a double-layered membrane that wraps around the nucleus. It acts like a bouncer at a club, controlling what goes in and out of the nucleus. Inside this envelope, we find the nucleoplasm, a jelly-like substance that fills the nucleus, providing a cozy environment for other nuclear parts. Next is the chromatin, which is the star of the show. It's a combination of proteins and DNA, which carries our genetic information. And lastly, we have nucleoli, little dark spots within the nucleus. They're the manufacturing plants, producing ribosomes, the cell's protein factories. Each part of the nucleus works together, making it a microcosm of complexity and efficiency. The nucleus, in its intricate design, is truly a marvel of microscopic architecture and a source of endless humor. Now that we've dissected the nucleus, it's time to understand what it does, its purpose inside the cell. The nucleus is akin to the brain of the cell, governing its growth, reproduction, and metabolism. How does it do this? Well, it's all about control. The nucleus directs these processes by controlling the production of proteins, the workhorses of the cell, in a process known as gene expression. But the nucleus doesn't stop there. It also safeguards the cell's genetic material, DNA, which contains the instructions for building and maintaining the cell. This DNA is organized into structures called chromosomes, which are replicated and distributed to new cells during cell division. The nucleus also has the crucial task of maintaining the integrity of these genes and controlling their expression, which ultimately determines the function and identity of the cell. As the command center of the cell, the nucleus holds a position of vital importance, controlling life at the most fundamental level. And let's not forget, it's also the king of comedy in the microscopic world. We've embarked on a microscopic journey, discovered a new world, and learned about the nucleus, its parts, and functions. Let's take a moment to revisit what we've uncovered in a fun and animated way. The nucleus, a marvel of nature, was first discovered by the keen eyes of scientist Robert Brown. Within this tiny powerhouse, we find structures such as the nucleolus and chromatin, working together in perfect harmony. The nucleus is the command center of the cell, the hub where our DNA, the blueprint of life, is safely stored. It orchestrates the production of proteins, the building blocks of life, and regulates the cell's activities. It's like the cell's personal Iron Man, always working behind the scenes to keep everything running smoothly. The nucleus is a testament to the wonders of life at the microscopic level, a wonder discovered through the lens of curiosity, exploration, and humor. So, next time you think about the microscopic world, remember the nucleus, the command center of life, discovered through the lens of curiosity, exploration, and a good laugh. Let's shift our lens from the microscopic world to the macroscopic one. Imagine your day without the nucleus. It's a task easier said than done. The nucleus, our microscopic hero, impacts our lives in ways we can't even begin to comprehend. Every breath we take, every step we make, every beat of our heart is a symphony orchestrated by billions of nuclei. They are the unseen conductors of our body's orchestra, making sure each cell hits the right note at the right time. When we eat, nuclei in our cells break down the food into energy. When we run, they help our muscles contract and relax. When we learn something new, they help our brain cells communicate. Even as you're watching this video, nuclei in your eye cells are helping you see, and in your brain cells, they are helping you understand. The nucleus is not just a command center of a cell, but the silent, tireless worker that plays a crucial role in our everyday life. It's the unsung hero of our existence, the star of the microscopic world that shines brightly in our macroscopic lives. So the next time you take a breath, remember the nucleus, the tiny powerhouse that makes it all possible and gives us a good laugh along the way. Thank you for journeying with us into the microscopic world and discovering the wonders of the nucleus in a fun and animated way. Stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, even the smallest things can make the biggest impact. Until next time, goodbye, and keep laughing.